Today I want to show you how awesome this AIPER Seagull SE pool vacuum is, as it is cordless. It runs on a battery that you charge up for a few hours, and it runs for about 2 hours or so, and it does a great job. I have a bunch of bamboo in my backyard, and bamboo leaves go in there and fall to the bottom of the pool, and as well as sand, and it picks up sand too. So I'm going to go back and pick it out of the pool now, and we'll see how much it sucked up this time. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to turn it on and put it in the pool. I usually just dunk it in and then let it start processing the move, and then kick out water, and then I let it go. And just so you do know, this will not climb pool walls. It'll just do the surface, the bottom surface of the pool. So it goes forward and reverse, and then once it senses it can't go any forward or backward anymore, then it'll change direction. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel, where I will do more review videos sort of like this, as well as DIY projects. So you can see it ran out of juice. It started to be picked up and then emptied out. And you might ask, how do I get it out of the pool? Do I have to go in to retrieve it? Absolutely not. They're so smart that they included a hook to go on the end of your pool pole that you would have for like a skimmer net or scrub brush. And you put it in a pole and you pick it out. Make sure it catches in the holes there so you don't lose the hook on the bottom of the pool then. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. So it's got like a little thing on the back of it. It's like a car spoiler. Latch the hook around and pull it up. Again, I'm holding the phone with one hand and grabbing it with the other, so otherwise you just pull it out completely out of the pool. You just let it drain out, and we'll go see what is sucked up. Alright, so I'm getting ready to take it apart. So it's got these two latches, one in the front, where you pop it open like that. Another one in the back. And and one on each side. It's got just like these, like, just a little pull tab. You kind of pull it and kind of just undo it. It's easier to do it with both hands. So here's like the filter, and this is what it sucked up. Which this is actually a light load today because I already vacuumed out the pool yesterday. And so as you see, it picked up sand and then some dead bamboo leaves. So in my opinion, this is awesome. It's worth the purchase when considering that you basically just drop it in the pool after you turn it on and let it do its thing for a couple hours and come back and just clean it out. And all I do to clean it out is just turn on the hose and then flush out the compartments. It's easier to do with two hands, so I'll get to it. Alright, once you have everything cleaned out, it's quite simple to put it back together. Just on the filter part, see where this part here is flat, line it up to where it's flat on there. That way it goes right back in place easily. Took me a couple times to figure that out, but this just goes right through there. And then again, to line it up, you have like these smaller tabs here that are the front and the back, and then the back portion is flat on the robot itself, so that's where it goes in at. So that way everything lines up perfectly, and then just put it all back in place, and then secure the front and back snaps. And then next you'll just put the charger back in on the bottom there and let it charge up and be ready for next time. So if you're thinking about getting one, I wouldn't hesitate. I'm glad I got it, and I've had it for about at least 8 months now. I've had no problems or issues, and I use it at least a few times a week, and it's been doing great. And well, based on the box, it does say that it runs up to 90 minutes. So there's the other details about it. I'll have a link in the description if you're interested, and it doesn't cost you more money, but it does help out the channel if you use our link, and I certainly appreciate it. And if you have questions or other recommendations, feel free to comment below what your thoughts are. All right, have a good day.